I welcome you all for the class video lecture on Java static members. So, what do you mean? The term static members in Java. There will be times when you will want to define a class member that will be used independently of any object of that class. Normally, a class member must be accessed only in conjunction with an object of its class that we all know. However, it is possible to create a member that can be used by itself without reference to a specific instance. To create such a member, precede its declaration with the keyword static. When a member is declared static, it can be accessed before any objects of its class are created and without reference to any object. You can declare both methods and variables to be static. The most common example of a static member is main. Main is declared as static because it must be called before any objects exist. Methods declared as static have several restrictions. They can only directly call other static methods. They can only directly access static data. They cannot refer to this or super in any way. So here we have an example program. We have declared these function and variables as static for the class static student. And then we have assigned the variable n to name and we have printed the name. Here we have the marks in the printing statement and the main statement here. First will call the function display. So display after getting the input Rion. The Rion is assigned to name and the printed is Rion. And after the function, it states a statement which is age is age. So which is 25 here as mentioned. So when we call the function display, after executing the display function, the lines under the class static student That is, the mark 2 will be printed. Accessing outside of class. Outside of the class in which they are defined, static methods and variables can be used independently of any object. To do so, you need to only specify the name of their class followed by the dot operator. For example, if you wish to call a static method from outside its class, you can do so using the following general form: class name dot operator following method. Here, class name is the name of the class in which the static method is declared. And again, another problem for we have here the class name static student and the method display. It is the function is called here. You see, here we have the class static student. For that, we have using dot operator, we have called the method. So that's we come to the end of this class. Thank you for watching.